how to add a contact direct dial shortcut to home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, tap on contacts. And then in here, I'm going to go back to the main contacts list. Then go down and open up a contact that you would like to create a shortcut on the home screen. Next, we go down, then tap on more, and then tap on add contact to home screen. In here, we will select direct dial, and then tap on add. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now, if you tap on that shortcut, it will immediately dial the shortcut, dial the contact. So you don't have to do anything, just tap on the shortcut and it will immediately place a call dialing that contact phone number. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.